everyone, and welcome back to IT Insights. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into: Scrum versus Kanban. Scrum is an agile framework that's been around for quite some time. And on the other side, we have Kanban, another agile framework that's gained popularity over the years. The first key difference is in their framework structure. Scrum follows a structured approach with fixed-length iterations called sprints. In contrast, Kanban is more flexible, with no predefined iterations. Work flows continuously. The second key difference lies in the roles and responsibilities. Scrum has defined roles like Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Development Team. Kanban doesn't prescribe specific roles. It encourages cross-functional teams and allows team members to self-organize. Now, let's talk about how work is prioritized. In Scrum, a product backlog is maintained, and the product owner prioritizes items for each sprint. Kanban uses a pull system where team members select and work on tasks as capacity allows. Lastly, let's discuss how the process is visualized. Scrum uses a Scrum board, often with tasks moving from to do to in progress to done. However, Kanban uses a Kanban board where tasks flow through different stages, providing a real-time view of work. So, to wrap it up, Scrum and Kanban are both Agile methodologies, but they have distinct differences in terms of framework structure, roles and responsibilities, work prioritization, and process visualization. Choosing between Scrum and Kanban depends on your team's specific needs and the nature of your projects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
TunePocket.com